Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamer channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Galaxy S10 Water Whole Life Wallpaper. So guys, at first you need to go to your Play Store and then you have to download Pinterest. And after downloading this app, you have to open the app. After opening the app, you have to tap on the search bar and search Galaxy S10 Water Whole Life Wallpaper. And here you can find so many wallpapers for your phone. And if you like one of them, just tap on the wallpaper. Now for download, you have to tap on the three dot icon and then tap on download image. And then your image will be downloaded and you can find your image on your gallery. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.